Today I am going to deliver my lecture on colonial state and the idea of rule of law. At first, I will mention some books on and journals which will be helpful for you to study this area. Here we can see the first book Con Bernard is Colonialism and its Forms of Knowledge, the British in India. Next, Ranajit Guha, A Rule of Property for Bengal. There are many other books on this topic. Now, I am going to the second slide. The concept of rule of law. When state is governed not by the ruler but law, then it's called rule of law. The agency that enacts law is the supreme authority of the state, but the law limited the power of ruler. That means king is not the law, but law is the king. Equality before the law is the main concern in rule of law. Law cannot discriminate among people in respect of their race, religion, sex, etc. Next, origin of rule of law. The concept of rule of law traced back to the First Republic, ancient Romans. Then it was received by the European philosopher Locke, Rousseau and Hobbes in their social contract theory. After that, Sir Edward Coke formally used the word principle of legality. Finally, rule of law theory was expounded by Albert Dicey. Theory of Dicey and three pillars. First, supremacy of law. Second, equality before the law. Third, predominance of legal spirit. Enforcing authority free from all external influence, impartial. Next, law and the empire. According to Ranajit Guha, law is the state emissary, diplomatic representative. It is a technology which extended and protected the interest of colonial power. Main aim to create colonial state. Method to rule the colonial state. British officials use language of law to legitimate their rule. Language of law. It is a critical instrument which attempted to differentiate the rule of previous regime for the rule of colonizer. Language of law. Tyranny of Oriental despotism, and on the other way, rhetorical aspect of law. They criticize about the anarchy of previous regime. On the other hand, in a rhetorical aspect of law, it liberates and civilizes Indian people and society. Law and empire. According to Ranajit Guha, law is the state emissary, diplomatic representative. It is a technology which extended and protected the interest of colonial power. Main aim to create colonial state. Method to rule colonial state. British officials use language of law to legitimate their rule. Language of law. It is a critical instrument which attempted to differentiate the rule of previous regime from the rule of colonizer. That's all. Thank you.